Go.
What's up? My name is Braden Daly. This is A1 Lab. All right, let's get right into it. All right, firing on all cylinders. So we built the code with the hammer, and then I ran the code here. It's currently doing this thing. So I had to super speed it, so it didn't take forever, but it's counting up 1 to 15 in binary. I'll explain my code in a second here. And okay, let's start with the code. So, okay, number one, to change I made a type def declaration here to change the type of bar type. So right now it's a float. Okay, the big thing is, so I initialized all the GPIO here. Okay, this while loop basically, it counts, so there's an if statement that determines whether it's counted from 1 to 15 3 times, and after that counter has like hit 3, it calls test function. So inside the while loop, basically it's iterating 1 to 15 with a for loop. There's a dummy variable, and it's, oh no, please don't die on me. And so it's checking for, it's checking each most significant bit and subtracting that amount to turn on that LED, and to determine later on in the algorithm whether or not to turn on another LED. And I'm using the set to set the register and turn on the GPIO and the LEDs. So yeah, after that counts down or counts up 3 times, we're infinitely calling test function and turning on and off the blue LED. The rising edge. Okay, so if you look at the scope right now, so the yellow is turning. Yellow is the function call itself, and the green is inside the function how long that function is taking to run. So for example, so test function is the yellow one. So the rising edge to the falling edge is when the light turns on. Test function is called when the light turns off. The gap between the rising edge of the yellow and the rising edge of the green is the latency between when the function is called and when you get into the function. That's 3.5 microseconds. And yeah, so, and as you can see, I'm only using test var equals num as my instruction inside the test function. So to change the instruction, I'll just do num +1. Holy, I haven't breathed at all. I'm talking so fast. Okay, and then to change it to type, I'm changing it to double up here. Bingo bango, build that thing. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, and then boom, run it. Bam. And so now it's gonna let it do its thing. What are we looking at? 2 minutes. Oh Lord, we're already over. All right, keep it pushing. Okay, so it's doing its thing. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we're back. As you can see, now it's taking longer for the function to run because the instruction is num +1. So it's, hold on, sorry, let me. But yeah, so after changing the instruction and the type, it's taking a longer time for that function itself to run. As you can see, this green, the whole rising and falling edge of the green is how long it takes the function to run, as timed by turning on and off the LED GPIO. I'm pretty sure that's everything. All right, thank you for watching.